nhỏ hơn 100 ấy. What the because it looks the most intriguing. If you like bite it and then it pops out. Ah, this looks toxic. Tastes like fruit. That is disturbing, to say the least. Yeah, not my favorite. Like a little octopus. Tastes like minty. I want to try a different animal. What is this? This looks mutated. Tastes like pineapple. The green one's a fish. That's obviously a fish. Green apple. We're cooking up some meat skewers that my grandma gave me. Korean cheese hot dog. Yesterday I found this bag of mixed frozen veggies. Peas, carrots, corn and potatoes. This reminds me of a dish that I eat a lot as a kid. In Vietnamese, it directly translates to Russian salad. I'm gonna boil these veggies, put it in the oven so it can get all nice and crispy. I'm gonna chop it up into little small pieces, and then we're gonna mix it with mayo. While waiting for the food, I have a package. It's warm. Okay, bye-bye. Tastes like honey. It tastes alright. Chocolate mochi. Yesterday we tried a vanilla version, right? Which one do you like better? Chocolate? Ice cream for dinner. I'm just kidding. I had a whole cup of corn. But anyway, we have this a cranberry ice cream. Look how pretty. We have like cranberry syrup, chunks of cranberry inside. I'll let you do the first scoop. It's yogurt. Yeah. It's cranberry yogurt. Frozen yogurt. It's good. I am cooking up some shumai, and the green color is because they're spinach. Just steaming them. I think they might be done. I'm gonna dip it in soy sauce. Oily. Corn fritters. Ngọt.
Vâng.
Nhưng mà không nhiều thịt lắm. Cái phần hạt ai sần sật ngon.
If you swallow a bunch of fucking gums, firstly,
too many F's in one sentence. This is great background music. Is it still an oh, that was kind of disappointing. How is it? Really? Yeah. There's a B right there. Oh my god. Okay.
Mình cuốn lên kia đi.
Mày cuốn đi. Con thèm bánh cuốn.
Không xì đâu. Không xì đâu.
Đi khách sạn á. Bao giờ sạn ra?
Các chủ nhật chiều ra đón để cho nó cắt móng.
Con Si nó quen với con Phô. Từ hôm bạn bế con Phô đi. Con Si kiểu cũng điên cuồng thôi.
Kiểu ai bảo bế dai lại.
Không ăn hủ sữa. Xúc cho miếng ăn không?
Ăn thử ở đâu cũng thanh mà.